So this is our own recipe. We found out buckwheat is really good for people with diabetes. So these are buckwheat pancakes. Half a cup of buckwheat flour. And we have substituted the sugar. You can use regular sugar with lucuma powder. And that's 1 tablespoon of lucuma powder. Kind of tastes like maple. I'm still doing some research on it because somebody's birthday's coming up and I have to figure out how to make him a cake without sugar. Should be interesting. Okay, let's see, half. So that's a tablespoon, and I'm using about 2/3 of that. Maybe a little bit more. Got a whisk. Oh, you know what? We're gonna get the pan on and get the butter in there.
How much do you need? Oh, you already got that piece cut off. Oh. Well, this is faster.
Okay.
Pre-melted butter.
And then I've got unsweetened almond. We've used coconut milk, we've used almond milk.
Raw milk is the best.
And this is you mix it up to where you like it. Some people like thick pancakes, some people like thin. And that's why you don't really measure.
Make the mix, I make the pancakes. Where's the sausage and the bacon?
I don't know, that was your job. You
jacked my job.
You better watch out. I'll do that YouTube thing with the water bottle. Now you look at the pity.
Right, well, I don't fall for those kind of tricks. Yep, that's what it said. The pan's not hot enough. But it's okay, it'll cook.
And it spreads out. I don't know if you can see. Oh, yeah. You can see in the pan pretty good. Because you want it to spread. If it's too thick, it'll blob. No blobs.
It'll make a cake.
So I'm done with that. So the same recipe, I have used regular flour. I've used coconut milk instead of the almond milk or raw milk. I've substituted, and then usually I use, if I'm making them for me, I use sugar instead of lucuma powder. So there's a lot of variables, and you only need 5, let's see, baking powder, flour, sugar, milk, and eggs. So it's 5 ingredients. And once you taste these, you will never buy it from the store again, a mix.
Not ready yet. There's no little bubbles around the edges. When the bubbles are on the edges, it's ready to flip.
Because Manny has actually taken all the sugar out of his
There's
diet.
a bubble. There's a bubble. There's a bubble. So we got bubbles on the edges. This is soon, but I bet we can flip it anyway. Voila. That was too soon. By about 10 seconds.
So it's lightly browned. I've actually used apple juice, and if you use apple juice and regular flour, it really is a dark pancake. Tastes okay, but It just doesn't look quite like a pancake.
Well, it doesn't look like a pancake now. It's brown.
But it tastes good.
Oh yeah. And fluffy. Well, that's it. That's our breakfast. Mine doesn't have anything on it because I'm diabetic. Hers has delicious syrup.
Well, yours has lucuma, which has maple flavoring.
They both have lucuma, but yeah, you get what you get. Still delicious.